Are you afraid with indices? Oh, आज के बाद से indices से डर नहीं लगेगा, right? Just try to understand the rules and start solving the questions. So today I am going to explain these rules. If you have base equal and there is a multiplication sign, what you will do? You will add them. And if it is division sign, what you will do? Subtract them, right? And what if this is in the bracket? So we will multiply this, right? So here we have three rules and based on them we are going to solve some questions. Okay, now come to the questions. If it is written, okay, what is zero index, right? Zero index means if it is written m by n, so let m is equal to 1 and n is equal to also 1, right? So 1 minus 1 will be 0, right? And we know that the same number divided by exactly that number is equal to 1. So if we have any power is 0, this is known as index and the value will be 1. So if you have 5 raised to the power 0, the value will be 1. If you have any number raised to the power 0, the value will be 1. Now come to some questions, right? The first question we have 2 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 4 and divided by 2 raised to the power 3. Look at this, how quickly we can solve it. 2 raised to the power 2 plus 4. Why plus 4? Because it is multiplication, right? Now you know the rules. Now this 3 is in denominator. So what we will do? Subtract this. 2 plus 4 is 6 and minus 3. So your answer is 2 raised to the power 3 and that is 8. Isn't it very simple? Very easy to explain. Okay. Now come to next question. Here we have the base is 5. So 5 raised to the power 6 plus 7. Why 7? Because it is multiplication. But in denominator we have two numbers, right? 2 and 8 is the power. So negative 2, negative 8. Now we have 5 raised to the power 13 minus 10. And the answer will be 5 raised to the power 3. That is 125. Isn't it easier? Okay. So if it is easy, can you solve this question? Okay. Oh. Solve with me, right? So here we have two base. What are the two base? 5 and 4. Okay. So what we will do? Bracket. Here 5 multiplied by 2. Isn't it? Yes. Now we know the rules. Okay. And 5 raised to the power 8 is denominator. So we will write this together. Why? Because same base, then only we will apply the power. Okay. Indices rule work always with the same base. Okay. Now we have 4 raised to the power 4 into 3 is 12 minus 9. So we have 5 raised to the power 10 minus 8, that is 2, and 4 raised to the power 4 into 3, 12 minus 9, that will be also 3. Now look at this. Yes. What is the magic here? If it is 5 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 4 raised to the 3, don't multiply this 4 into 4. Just you do 25 into 4. Why? Because that is going to be 100. Right? And 4 into 4, isn't it easier to multiply 16? So our final answer will be 1600. Was it easy? If yes, just try this question number H and write the answer in your comment box and